Inside Eddie Murphy's $40 million Beverly Hills paradise. Welcome to our exclusive tour of Eddie Murphy's stunning $40 million mansion located in the heart of Beverly Hills. Get ready to be amazed by this opulent paradise. Nestled in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods, this sprawling estate offers luxury and comfort like no other. Let's step inside and explore the wonders it holds. The grand foyer greets you with soaring ceilings, intricate chandeliers, and meticulously crafted marble floors that set the tone for the rest of the mansion. Wander into the living room, where plush seating, a grand piano, and breathtaking views of the city create an inviting space for entertaining guests. A state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen awaits, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and a spacious island perfect for preparing lavish meals. Adjacent to the kitchen is the elegant dining room, with a long table that seats 12, ideal for hosting family gatherings or intimate dinner parties. The master suite is a true sanctuary, complete with a private balcony, luxurious ensuite bathroom, and an expansive walk-in closet fit for a Hollywood star. For those who crave entertainment, the mansion boasts a private theater, equipped with plush seating and the latest audiovisual technology for an immersive experience. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the fully equipped gym, designed to meet all workout needs, from cardio machines to free weights. Step outside to discover a resort-style backyard, featuring a sparkling infinity pool, hot tub, and multiple lounging areas to soak up the California sun. A dedicated guest house provides a perfect retreat for visitors, offering privacy and luxury with its own living area, kitchen, and bedroom suite. As we conclude our tour, it's clear that Eddie Murphy's Beverly Hills Mansion is more than just a home. It's a testament to exquisite taste and unparalleled luxury.